So if you're using a free traffic, this video is for you. I'm going to give you a different angle of perspective, which will really going to help you to get at least 1 to 2 sales, right? Promoting this internet marketing products. If you're first time here, do subscribe my channel called Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday. Subscribe my channel, put the bell notification, and do not forget to like this video, because this is a completely free traffic method which will help you to earn at least 1 to 2 sales on a daily basis by just recommending this internet marketing product. So if you're selling the online product, you might be using the platform called ClickBank because it's available in 200 countries, 20 years, and $4.2 billion has been paid to their affiliates. Once if you get into this marketplace, you can see different categories, right? These are the different category over the products here, okay? Spiritual niche, right? You name the niche where you have an interest or knowledge, you can promote that product. Health and wellness niche, once if you open this, you can see the subcategories over here. You can get into this and you can promote any product. I already have a videos on this, okay? So spiritual niche, e-business niche, or e-marketing niche, everything they have a product. So let me open this one of the niche of health and fitness over here. So here you can see one of the product called Research. Okay, this is a weight loss product here. Then you have another product called like Steel Bite Pro. Okay, so there are many different products to promote. Generally you might be promoting also, but here is one thing, guys, and that is you have to understand this small slide over here. Assume this is the product, okay, Research, or your law of attraction product which you got from ClickBank. Now guys, this is you, this is your affiliate market, you are an affiliate marketer, and this is your target audience. Now here is the one thing, you can't sell this product, guy, directly to this target audience. You need a internet marketing products, tools, or you can say one of the weapon of affiliate marketers or internet marketing marketers are their tools. Even if you're a small marketers or big marketer, for example, guys, landing page, website, right, running an ad, right, or using Instagram, using Pinterest, using platform like Facebook groups or pages. These are the platform, guys, or pages or tools, guys, which you use to market this affiliate products to your target audience. Okay, this is how we use it. So now there is a scope for this kinds of product like Research, okay, or all these kinds of diabetic product and all, but there is also market, a huge market for this kinds of products too, guys. Okay, so being a marketer, we sell this product a lot. Okay, you spend a lot of time in the ClickBank promoting the product. Today I just want to give you 3-step process where you will sell this kinds of product a more to small marketers. Okay, and for a small marketer, if you're looking at tools and products, you have an amazing platform called, guys, Warrior Plus, and you can make your account from any country here. It's very easy, so I'm not getting into how to make an account, all this thing. I already have a video which I'm going to plug you at the end of this video, so keep watching this video till the end. Okay, so once if you make your free account in the Warrior Plus, you're gonna land here. Okay, this is their marketplace. Look at the product they have, marketing education product. For example, guys, if you want to write a good ad copy, you have a product for advertisement. If you're an affiliate marketer, you have a product for here. Okay, if you want to learn how to write a copy, they have a product for you. Okay, if you want to do the SEO, okay, free traffic to sell ClickBank, you have a product here. Okay, email marketing, right? If you're looking for free traffic, they have many SaaS based softwares which will help you to drive tons of traffic. Social media, they have it, right? Look at this, for every platform, Facebook, Fiverr, all those things they have a, right, the softwares here and tools here. These products are designed for small marketer as well as for beginner. That means the people like you and me. So now let me show you some of the offer. So here you can see this is your affiliate section. This is for vendors. If you have a product, you can promote with Warrior Plus here. And in this affiliate section, you can see your sales in the dashboard. So here you can see your earning stat, like, you know, yesterday's earning, last 7 days, 30 days, and all your stats you can see. Whatever the sale you're going to make, you will see all your earnings over here. Okay, so now I just want to take you to the offer so that I can show you some of the product here. So here you can see the different offers. So these all are the different products and offers over here, and one of the best part, you can see the release date of the products as well as how many sales copy they have sold till now, and conversion rate, visitor value, average sales, refund also you can see here. So let me show you one of the product here called, right, Rush here. Okay, so this is the new product maybe they have launched, and you can also see the recurring payment here, this circle back, and also the contest. And if you want to promote this offer, you have to get the request approval. You have to send the request approval from here. That I'm going to show you in a second. Okay, so now Rush, okay, look at this. This is the product called Rush. Okay, this is the vendor, and he's one of the top vendor. I'm promoting his product always, right? So here you can see this copy which he launched on yesterday itself. He's made like 1000 sale plus, okay, 19% conversion rate and 0% refund. Okay, doing very, very well. Okay, so if you can see, this is for marketing education, video marketing product. Okay, in the top you can see the sales page, and here in the bottom you can see the affiliate page, which is called like JV page, right? So you can open this sales page clicking here. So now here you can see this, guys, the world fastest autopilot YouTube app drive free viral traffic for you in 43 seconds. So now you can understand, guys, if you are into the YouTube and if you're looking for drive the free traffic, this app is going to help you. That's what I said. This is for the marketers like you and me, like for newbie. Okay, here you can see done for you viral video in 3 seconds. So these are the software, right? People are looking just 3-step process. Okay, so you can sell this for the people who are into YouTube or who are into videos, right? Now you can understand this product you can target for all the YouTubers or people who are trying to promote the product through YouTube. And you can also see their product funnel here. So if you click here, you can see that it is $17, very cheap, guys, and you're going to make like as a commission $88 here. Okay, and you can see all the up sales and down sales here. Okay, very cheap. This is why, guys, I said this is a very beginner friendly product. So let me go to other product. I just want to show you some. This is like called Gen. So I think this is an Instagram marketing app. And here it is for social media. So here you can open their sales page. So look at this, guys, you're 30 seconds away from getting any link in front of hundreds of free buyer. Okay, so if you're looking free traffic, then this is the app, right? This is the app. So everybody is looking the free traffic step. Okay, done for 100% new and unique and fresh, work from home, made for beginner, right? Look at this kinds of products. Okay, this kinds of products convert very, very well. Okay, yeah, it's for Instagram only. So if you're promoting product in Instagram, this app can help you, or maybe you can sell to other people. Just connect the software and drive the traffic. Okay, and it's very easy. So now you can see what is the product price. Gen front end is $20 here, and they have like right up sale of $197, and then they have a down sale of $29. Okay, so many offers they're offering. Every time they're offering 50% commission if you sell these products. So now you can see another product called Secret Email System. So I think this is for email marketing. Okay, so look at this, 7,500 copy has been sold. So anybody who trying to do email marketing, you can recommend this product to them. Okay, it's almost recommending here. So look at this, without ever creating a product, without fulfilling service, without running ad or ever doing customer service, right? So these are the things this product offer you. So you can get down, look at the 7,500 copy has been sold. Only 4% refund is very less here. And you can check their right sales page here. Okay, so this means this software you can sell to anybody who is trying to do email marketing. Now let me show you 3-step process to promote this offer. The number one is to get the approval. To get the approval, guys, you can send them approval here. So click here, request approval. And in this box, guys, you have to insert the request note, and make sure also you're adding your PayPal account, right? And you have to give that Gmail ID here. Okay, that is very important. Do not select the Warrior Plus wallet, otherwise the money will go to the Warrior Plus wallet, which will only going to allow you to buy the product of Warrior Plus. Okay, so select this, put the a request note. So I'm just giving you a idea, right, how to write a request note. It's simple. They want to know only 2 things, right? Who are you, how many years of experience you have, and then what is your marketing strategy. Okay, very quick and short, like, hello sir, requesting for approval. My name is Raj. I'm doing affiliate marketing for 2 years, successfully promoting ClickBank products, requesting you to approve me and my marketing strategy. I will promote your offer through YouTube, right? That's how I promote through creating a review video. Also, I'm going to use YouTube ads, and I'm also going to promote through email, right? So that's what I do. So whatever your strategy is, you can share them here. Okay, and then click here, request offer. So once they approved you, you will see the affiliate link in this section here, okay? Like this. So this is one of the offer I was promoting, right? So here you can see my affiliate link. Once if they approve, you will see the affiliate link like this. So now guys, once if you got your affiliate link, you'll start promoting it. So now the second step is understanding their sales page. Open the sales page and understand the sales page, what the product is all about. They will provide you so many tools, right? Once they approve you, and or else you can go to their JV page and create a simple landing page like this. So here you can see this is one of the product which I'm promoting. This is also an amazing product called Traffic IV. This is a ClickBank product. After a long time, I saw some of the good product related to e-business, e-marketing. That is like Traffic IV. This is an amazing product. First, they launched this product in JVZoo. Then again, they launched in ClickBank. So I created a simple landing page. So if you don't know how to create a landing page, I already made a video on creating a landing page, especially using with free tools. Okay. I showed you step by step creating software related landing page. If you watch this video full, you will know that. So like this page here, simple landing page is very important, where you're warming up the audience. They should know what this software is all about, right? That's really, really important here. So once you created a landing page, the second important step is, guys, finding the groups, right? Look at this kinds of group in the Facebook group, right? Email marketing worldwide, right? Email marketing USA, digital marketing. These are all other people, guys, who is looking to do, right, affiliate marketing or online marketing, and everybody need website and everybody need email, right? So you can get into this group and become a good member of this group, right? Do not spam the group. Do not post the link. If they don't allow you to post the link, do not post it, because my strategy is not to post the links, right? So do not do that. So once if you get into this group, one of the way is like checking with these members. Okay, if you can see there are so many different members, you can check with them, right? If they are looking some kind of service or not, right? That you can check through the messenger here. So how you're going to do this? Just very simple. Create a simple post here like this. Look at this: ethical email marketing to drive revenue, sales and commission. Dear future email marketer, I'm revealing here the secret email system that drive revenue and sales. Everything I've taken from the sales page. And at the bottom, guys, just write, let me know in the comment if you're looking for 7-figure online business email system. Connect me now on the messenger. You're asking them to connect, right? This people to connect them in the messenger. Okay, you can join this group. Look at this, how this person is posted here. Hi everyone, are you looking to have a funnel club? Funnel club is again a software, right? Just you need to plug and play. Okay, the same thing, right? This email marketing software which we're talking about. And at the bottom, guys, he wrote, connect me on messenger. No link, nothing, small information. And you know what is the best thing? The people who are interested, they will check you back. Okay, they will maybe looking for this. There you can share the landing page which you created, or else you can share this page itself. It's just very, very simple, guys. Okay, do not spam these kinds of groups or anything, guys. If they don't allow, do not post it. On the messenger, guys, you can promote this offer to them. If you throw the links just in there, this vendor will block you and they will not going to give you the sales. Okay, but if you smartly promote, you can promote any of these kinds of software from Warrior Plus, which is an amazing marketplace. So hope you really love this method. If you like this strategy, this method, right, smash the like button right away, right now. Subscribe my channel, share my videos. And before you go, guys, I will recommend you to watch this video. This is another method of promoting Warrior Plus product, which I generally use. So you will learn there how to promote with other different traffic source also.